Hello, my name is Davíð Ólafsson and welcome to my channel, the Icelandic Piano Tuner. I am Icelandic, I live in Iceland and have been a piano technician for 37 years. I trained with Steinway and Sons in Hamburg and Berlin. Through my videos, I hope to share and pass the skills and knowledge of tuning, repairing, rebuilding, and piano care tips with you. Music is a part of early education in Iceland, so naturally most Icelanders play a musical instrument, and there are many music schools across the country. I myself trained as a musician, and I come from a big music family. More on that later if you subscribe and stick around for my YouTube journey. What most people don't know is my beautiful country Iceland has a lot of pianos, and it's not surprising to see a piano in many homes, offices, museums and hospitals. Every year I travel around Iceland multiple times to tune pianos in all kinds of weather conditions. Sometimes I fly, go on a boat, drive or ride my motorcycle to get to a piano somewhere in Iceland. From schools, churches, museums, concert halls, from the city to sometimes the most remote part of country that many tourists and even Icelanders don't ever get to see. So, if you are a piano lover or professional, please subscribe and come along this YouTube journey with me as I tune, repair, build and fix all kinds of piano problems. I am excited to share some pro tips on piano care with you. So subscribe to the Icelandic Piano Tuner channel so we fix pianos and explore my beautiful country Iceland together.